Okay guys, check out this awesome market in the top of the mountain. Those are vines, huh? Vine tips. I don't know what vine. Lots of vines you can eat. Looks like, I was gonna say look like bitter gourd, but it looks more like melon. I just bought some of these carrots. They're delicious, just sweet, unbelievably sweet. This lady's been lying to me, haven't you? She's quiet now. Before she wouldn't stop talking. Look at the size of these avocados. These are not the biggest ones. You wait. You just wait. All kinds of candies and melons. Hello. She won't speak now. I saw at a different place. They're like pink daikon.
Reddish.
Radish, yes. Oh, these are actually radish, I think. The pink daikon I saw was that big around. Biggest I've ever seen. But these are just radish. How much is radish?
70 baht. 70 baht.
You sure?
This 70 baht.
Okay. Look at the avocado. Big as her head. Huh? Look at the size of that. And then some smaller ones. She's looking at me like I'm crazy. Look at the leeks. She is right. Beautiful, huh? That is. How much for the leeks?
20 baht.
20 baht. 65 baht for 3 of these. Wow. Beautiful, huh? There's some more carrots. Cape gooseberry, the price went up 3 times on those. 80 baht, 100 baht, 120 baht. I think she just got tongue-tied. To be honest, it is 120 baht. Jungle honey with the honeycomb. That stuff is beautiful, huh? Oh, unbelievable. And then some in a whiskey bottle. Genkao. She's eating. Everybody's got basically the same thing, like every Thailand market. Okay, there's one over here with some wine. That's different. She's got the honey and the nuts, pistachios. What is this? Sweet and delicious. Persimmon. It's a single wrap persimmon. Wow. From China, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. They are from China. Avocado come from China?
Thailand.
Thailand?
Yes.
Sure?
Wow.
Okay, chua. Sweet potatoes, 3 different kinds. They look like those might be pink. Look like white flesh. This lady is sewing. It looks like a name tag. Look at the size of this avocado. You see that? Look at that. Unbelievable. And candies. Hello.
No.
Good afternoon. Bell peppers, they don't look so good. Strawberries, this area is full of strawberries. They're very expensive compared to everything else, you know. Hello, buddy. Sorry, cap. He's sitting bare ass on the concrete. Got some. Is this wine or just juice? I think it's wine. Served chilled or ice cold. That must be juice. Hello. Some traditional clothes. These ladies are all Hmong, if you don't know, right? They don't really speak Thai. They speak Thai like me. Sawadee krap. It does get cold here, so you need some really long ears. Oh, look at that. Wow. And it's the same thing again and again and again, and there's dozens of these places. They're not all open, but They all have pretty much the same thing. You ready? A radish? 20 baht, yeah?
Yes, 20 baht.
Cape gooseberry? 100 baht, yeah?
Yes. 1 kilo 100 baht.
Okay, I want one.
This 1 kilo.
1 kilo, yes? Just 1 kilo, yeah? The guy over here told me 150 baht. I love Cape gooseberries and they're really hard to get. Don't break them. I'm amazed by the leeks, I tell you. Leeks come from Thailand or China?
Thailand.
You sure?
Sure.
Sure. There you go. Okay.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. Alright, guys, so that's it. Got me a bag of fruit. Got the deal on it. I think. Who's that, huh? And they're delicious too. Hello. Bye bye.